Hello, welcome to Math 252, Calculus 2 here at Cañada College. My name is Lapuz. In this video, we'll be checking out checkpoint 3.7. This is coming from section 3.2, Trigonometric integrals. Here we're asked to evaluate the integral of cosine squared x dx. So our problem-solving strategy tells us that if we have an odd power for either a sine or a cosine, then we can do some simple u substitution. But if the powers for the sine and or cosine are even and only even numbers, then we're going to have to use a different formula. So this will require the double angle formula or half angle formula, and we will be using, since we're dealing with the cosine, we'll be using the cosine squared we'll be using the cosine squared formula. So cosine squared is equal to 1/2 plus 1/2 cosine 2x. And so we're replacing a power function, or a function that has a power, to a couple of terms that we can easily integrate. And then cosine 2x is something that we can also easily integrate. So let's make that substitution. And say that this is going to be now the integral of 1/2 plus another 1/2 times cosine of 2x dx. And just to be kind of proper here, let's throw an integral or parentheses around the whole thing. And we're going to break this up to two separate integrals. Let me break it up to two integrals. I would usually skip this step, but I want to focus on this one where we can take the 1/2 out. I guess we could have taken the 1/2 out for the first integral as well. So our line will be the integral of 1/2 dx plus 1/2 times the integral of cosine 2x dx, because this second integral will require a simple u substitution. Let's do that off to the side here. We're going to let u equal to 2x, and du will equal to 2 dx, and this will generate an extra 1/2 for your replacement for the dx. And so this 1/2 and this 1/2 will come together as 1/4. All right, so back to integrating. The antiderivative of 1/2 dx is just going to be 1/2 x. And then now, like I had mentioned, the antiderivative of cosine is positive sine, so this remains positive. And we have a 1/2 times a 1/2, which will give us a 1/4. And then the antiderivative of cosine u is going to be positive sine u, and u was equal to 2x. And then throw a plus c for good measure, and we have our result. All right, I hope that helps. Good luck.